Welcome to MRP's video tutorial series. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate MRP's purchasing module. You can open MRP's purchasing module by selecting Modules and Purchasing. MRP's purchasing module allows users to enter new purchase orders, edit purchase orders, duplicate purchase orders, print, display, or email purchase orders, print or display purchase order reports, return parts to vendors, audit on order quantities, audit last purchase order costs, open purchase order logbook files, reindex purchase orders, remove purchase orders marked for deletion, remove purchase orders over X years old. Let's enter a blanket purchase order for 100 bearings per month for the next 6 months. I will select Modules, Purchase, and New. I will enter 100 for the purchase order quantity. I could enter the part number or the description. I will enter B for bearing description. And I will press the Enter button. I will select the bearing 0000001 and press OK. Please note, MRP has highlighted DG key as having the best price. The 7-day lead time is OK. So I will select DG key as my vendor. And then press the OK button. Notice, MRP has automatically filled in all the information with the exception of the date required. MRP's infinite bucket will need the date required to know when it will become available. So I will select the date required for the 5th line item. I could add another line item by moving my mouse and clicking on the Add button. I would do that if I were ordering another part number. But, I wanted to create a blanket PO for the same part number. So I am going to click on the Clone button. I will enter 5 for the number of clones I need. And I will separate the line items by 1 month each. And I will press the OK button. Now I can press the Items and Notes button to view my entire order. I have 6 line items, separated by 1 month each. On the left, I can enter boilerplate notes that will appear at the bottom of the PO. I can now click on OK to get back to the PO. I will click on the Finished button. Press the OK button. And the Yes button to print the PO. Here I can send the PO to Display, Print, PDF, or email as PDF file. If I select PDF or email as PDF, I can attach additional PDF documents to this PO. For this demonstration I will select Display. I can select a standard or custom purchase order. I will select Custom. I will select Display. And press the OK button to print out the purchase order. You can see the custom purchase order contains my company logo. You can create your own custom purchase order templates with your company logo by using Configuration, Settings, and Utilities, option 24, which is MRP's custom report writer. You can see the purchase order contains all 6 line items, all produced with just a couple of mouse clicks. Now I will hit X box at the top of the form to print out the terms and conditions. Your terms and conditions can be set up using Configuration, Settings, and Utilities, option 83. Once again I will click on the X box at the top or the Terms and Conditions page. And I will click on, No, I do not want to enter another PO. Now let's return to the main menu and take a look at MRP's Purchasing Report module. To print or display Purchasing Report I will select Modules, Purchasing, and Reports. I can select all records. All for a product code. All for a part number. All for a vendor. And so on. You can select all records for any date range. And include all open and closed, open only, closed only, or overdue only. Confirmed and unconfirmed, confirmed only, unconfirmed only. You can sort by purchase order number, part number, vendor, and so on. You can send the report to display, print, PDF, or Excel. If I am a purchasing agent, first thing I would do when I come in during the morning would be to print out my overdue purchase orders sorted by vendor. I will select all records. All records again. Overdue only. Sort by vendor. Display. And press the OK button. That way when the operations and sales people come down here, I'll tell them I've already talked to the vendors. PCMRP has many more valuable features. PCMRP's Infinite Bucket MRP module can automatically create by action items for open sales and work orders. Buyers can create purchase orders based on the by action items. Or buyers can allow PCMRP to automatically create purchase orders. Buyers can automatically import price quantity breaks from DGKey, Mouser, Allied, TTI and Avnet. Buyers can create vendor ISO 9000 reports for a specific vendor or all vendors. Buyers can print out purchase price variation reports comparing standard or average costs versus my actual purchase costs. Well, I hope I have convinced you that PCMRP can help streamline your company's purchasing operations. Thank you.